Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We just beat Skukune 1-0. I'm with Nengomashi to analyze the game. How are you feeling now?
Ntanga ngimnandi fesi siqale sibulisa amabhakaniya ngithola let the channel grow sibali amabhakaniya abukela icontent yethu ngimnandi mfethu we won
Content emnandi. Asingene kuyo ntanga. Asingene kuyo. What did you make of our performance?
I think sidlala kancane school. We playing kancane, and I said to you last pod ukuthi sidlala kancane, especially first half yangithola, and this thing is going to catch up with us. But first, before siyalapho ntanga ntanga i-PSL like made us cool mfethu. We can't say ukuthi siyodlala, we are professionals, we go to old Peter Mokaba kune ground elikhulu esingadlala kulo. Tangalo 6 like mfethu ayadina sibali. Let's play football yangithola ema facility a grand, because if you check that ground may bumpy. I think bayenze ngamabomu or what, the field is small, dog wina ngenyawo zakho. That's the first thing. But I think it's in Ntanga, as much as dlala kancane, we know how to win. That's what is important. So game vandag ngibone kanjani. I think uMasilela, I think uTonga ok mengihlele phambi kwakhe mekaloko kayiraiser. Mekasifihla umfana. Umfana mekasifihla was not in the game, and it was difficult for us ukuthi sifike, because I think first 40 minutes kube difficult ukuthi sishaye up until uHoto akora. Yangithola, and they like beautiful goal from Hoto coming from Police passing Lunga create space, which was good ntanga yangithola. At least that's what is a beautiful goal. But overall the game for me, it was not a nice game yangithola. Even nama subs ka coach kunalapha sesibone sinama City MI3, sino Silepe, sino Tiane, sino who's the last one? Dancing yangithola kunalapho mase simisa like number 10, and abanye abantu bazobuza ukuthi lo mlungu wenu lo nimlandile yo Haaland uyabheda. Mina like I can't judge him now, but like ngathi ungwenya kana speed yangithola into engiyibonile. But I think like second half mfethu after those subs mase singasadlali, we are nowhere to be found. And first half, going back to first half, Skukune was supposed to score mesilele ntanga yangithola. Skukune was supposed to score mesilele thina mesingekho lapha esikhona, but like now we are Orlando Pirates, you know how to win. Into important igame ngibone kanjalo.
But Mauti Wesley, did they get any clear-cut opportunities? Because I don't recall them getting any clear-cut opportunities. I think it was just a scrappy game for me, young Sola. 50-50 in the first half. It's just obviously our quality. That's why we got that beautiful goal from Dienoto. And then jumping straight into the middle of the park. Obviously, we saw Uchi, they keep dancing. They put Mukobodi. No, I'm saying my game compared to the last game. They brought out Utansin and they put Mukobodi as well as Umtiane. What did you make of that combination in the middle of the park?
First thing first, it's in as much as like it was scrappy just to answer you.
Yeah.
Bashaye kapha udlula thina. Yangithola. Yiba bashayile epalini, as much as mebangashaya ama targets, kodwa bona mebashaya. Thina mesingashaya epalini first half ntanga. You can check that. Noma utsaw the chance, check ama highlights. Yibo mebashaya emapalini ethu thina mesingashaya. That's the first thing. Second thing ukuphendula, uMkobodi mfethu like it's on another level. Yangithola. Angisafuni kube ngathi ngiyamandarator. That boy understands space, understands position. That boy uyalifaka licele. Every time Ntanga, he played so well even today, as much as the team was not there. Tina like mina Ntanga overall the game mesingekho, as much as I'm a Pagania. But like what is important for us and our team and our badge, we know how to win. And mind you, ukuthi masekula game lele eliza esikotini sesiwinile M28 sesifinalini. Ngiyakutshela bambale, as much as kuyinto esimple now ukuyibona, kodwa sesifinalini. What was important for us, it was getting one goal, singabi ne goal, like it's ne away goal, abana goal yangithola. So if next game singadlala nil against bona, still swinile. Siyacava ngeke si approach kanjalo, you understand. But I think uMkobodi ntanga ucoach uyabona ukuthi there's a talent there, and they must start yangithola. And coming back to the middle of the park, Ntiana I think naye udlale grand untanga. I think udlale grand was always there, nothing marvelous, nothing special, but kunekwetla kayishayile as much na ayitholile. This is what we want to see ntanga yangithola, because dlala ibhola, we are South Africans. Ishiwowo is part of us. It's it's ours, yangithola. But I think in the middle of the park, Umkobodi was doing pretty much what he always does, yangithola, trying to find spaces. There was this pass akayiphassile second half, phula iwindow ndoda, laphuka iwindow phahla, as much as ureferee ayibone offside, which was correct ngaleyo nto, but that what Mkobodi gives you, it's going to give you space, it's going to give you a direction yokuthi team idlale kanjani.
100%. And then also Napoli, of course, he started slow. Second game in a row where he's starting in that left wing position. For me, I think that's what was lacking in his game. I think he was supposed to be put in his national position. What did you think of his performance today?
I think first half mekadlala kancane, yangithola, making bad decisions. Making bad decisions. Overall, the team, yangithola. But second half, ntanga uye ube ngathi uba alive. Mayiqala second half, uye uba ngathi uba alive. As much as ube wabaleka. Sanga sambona like in the game, but I think at least pick up second half. And then le style sakakashaya yafi clever lapha ya lesa kasibamba ayenze so he's good with it, and uzamile ama 1-2s at least isibonile shaya. I think second half he was better, but I think performance yakhe isasephansi compared to the Police we know. But I think as I'm telling you, if you can check the stats, most of the players babuya ku World Cup they are injured. Ngakbalela we Pirates, we Sundowns, most of them they are injured. I think Bakatel, as much as emotionally or mentally is going through something, yangithola ka Jayden Adams, as I always say, but also physically is also tired. Yangithola ntanga udlala World Cup, izinto ezibhayi, and Pirate last season was competing. He played a lot of games, but that's not an excuse. Football is not an excuse, yangithola. But I believe in the boy ukuthi uzobuya. Bravo to the coach ukuthi like usamgaya chance ukuthi aqale, and I just want to go back kuMbuthuma ntanga. I think uMbuthuma ntanga angazi or ipat lakhe or what ntanga, yangithola, because even today akusi fault yakhe uMbuthuma ukuthi akadlalanga as much as the team idlala bad, but today he was nowhere to be seen. When there's a chance for him to be seen, udlisa amabhola, yangithola. For me, I'm a fan of Orlando Pirates, and I want to see the boys bayenza grand, but uMbuthuma ntanga akaphumulela ukuthi ama-fans ayakhala or what, uphumulela for the benefit of the team and also for himself. Ngizwa ucoach ku-premiership yakhe make ekhuluma ngale game leli ukuthi uMbuthuma there is something akayigaya i-team thina esingayiboni. Obviously thina siyibona as a perspective of the fans, yena uyibona as a perspective of ucoach kanjalo, but like akasky next ntanga, akasky next, he finds himself first half iqalile press yiyo ngingamshayeli izandla ngayo lapho uMasilela kumele ashaya kore, yangithola, which is also naye boy going back to him. I don't think he had a good game, was nowhere to be seen, yangithola. I think the game was too heavy for him. Yiyo into akayenze right kuphela kule game la namhlanje. Ungangitshela enye into akayenzile ayikho enye into akayenzile. I think ucoach akarelax uMbuthuma ntanga.
Coach must relax Mbuthuma. And then last question, Ntanga, because we see Uguti, as much as we're not playing a great football, but for some reason we snatch these results. So for you, like looking in the future, do you think Uguti, like teams in the PSL must be scared of Orlando Pirates? Like once we hit that form where we're able to play a combination and everyone is back, about talent mbata, about Tito Masanganya, when they come back, Sebastian Peterson, Magatoli form. Do you think teams in the PSL must be scared of the Orlando Pirates team once we click?
Mina ntanga, just to answer you, I think ngithanda kanje. Now we are showing a championship ukuthi we are champions. It doesn't matter how you play. What matters is to win, and when you win, you get confident. Believe you me, the boys are confident now because we win. Yangithola, uzobona nama-fans esikhala. If you start losing, uzobona ama-player unengo noma like interviewer, I'm tired of Mbuthuma, I'm tired of Mukobodi, ngizobe sengisho kanjalo because now we are losing. But now since we are winning, that means nabo boy mabe are like yangithola after the game bashawa bajabulile because we are getting our results. To answer your question yakho ukuthi ama-team should be scared of us once we hit the form, I mean it's nice when the team are not scared of us, when they think they can come to us, because because when they come to us bayalivula ground rather than mabelvala. But I think most definitely they're going to be scared to us. We're gonna hit the form, dang. And now we're going to hit the form siwina on the winning streak. Once we hit the form, so bese shama 5. So bese nginidla lapha wena nokosi lapha yana kumanje. Ngiyabona namhlanje ujabulile nge1 ukuthi like asike for me. You understand? I-experience usho kanjalo mapakaniya, but like into engikutshela yona ntanga. If we win singadlali grand, cabanga masidlala grand. And sizodlala grand Mr. Kwethu uyangithola. And uSebastian asimbekezeleleni mapakani uHaaland wethu uyangithola. Dalela bhola melibhampa lelathi uyazama ukukhela uyangithola. And let's understand our players, all of them. Sesimbonile ingwenya ayina speed. Ingwenya ayina speed.
Ayina speed, or it was that thing of being tired, you know. Obviously it's his first game, young Tonga Oak spoke about the temperature as well, because for me it didn't look like someone who keep 100, young Tonga. It seems like someone who care too, young Tonga. For me it's not like Agana speed, it's just the thing of Mhlambe is just adjusting to our league, the temperature and everything in the game time as well. I don't think Agana speed.
Mr. Kwethu tired of what? Lo muntu lo since afikile akakadlali. Tired of what? Seke nama excuse. Kuthiwa la masibukela ibhola, mawukuthi Sebastian kuthiwa unlucky sizobona makumbuthi makaphume. No, let's be fair. But asikho lapho. But he's not tired. He's not tired of anything. Football is football. There is no excuses. I think ungwenya mina from what I've seen, we saw two situations. Ngathi ayikho ntanga. Ngathi ayikho. Ntanga, you must be hungry mfethu. There's a pressure phezu kwamahlomba akho. Abantu bakujabulela, abantu bakubiza ngeHaaland. Uyamazi uHaaland ubani? Haaland ntanga is the greatest striker currently in the world. Haaland, you see, ascora ku World Cup angadlalanga for the whole 65 minutes. Uyangithola. Une pressure ingwenya. Ephezu kwamehlomba akhe uyangithola. But like today singamgaya i-team engadlali grand. But like it's too early for me to judge him ukuthi he's a good player or he's a bad player. Let's give him time. Angizozenza izinto.
David Mapakani, that's Mr. Mlambo. Bopha.